Hi, I'm Kate Marie and I'm the author or co-author of the book Fast Living, Slow Aging. And I'm on a quest to find out what I can do to stop the further decay of my flesh as I age. So I'm here with Kathy, Dr. Kathy Gallagher, and she's in Brisbane, has Shine Clinic, or in her clinic, and Kathy's going to help me navigate this. Tell me medically, what happens to the body? What happens to the tissues as we age? What's the problem here?
Well, we do lose collagen and elastin in skin, so as we age, the tissues do lose some of their tone, become looser. Also, we tend to develop a little bit more subcutaneous fat, and that can also pocket for cellulite.
One of the reasons I'm actually going through these processes is I'm quite interested in 30 years' time to be able to look back, because we're the first generation of women to be having these conversations. Our parents didn't have access to technologies. They didn't have the time, they didn't have the money, probably not the desire. I mean, because we live in this world which is all about how you look, I think we're a little bit more focused than we should be. You can already see my arms. I'm going to be seeing whether this has become a bit tighter after these treatments. And so hold on and we'll be back shortly. Now this is Josh Locker. Josh is the founder and director of Cryomed, and they have a machine that does skin tightening, and it's called the ULTRAFORMER. So how does it work, Josh?
So the ULTRAFORMER is a what we call micro-focus ultrasound. So it has it targets multiple layers of the skin at different levels.
Right.
So the ULTRAFORMER, we have 7 what we call cartridges, and they target from 1.5 down to 13 millimeter precisely. So it's precise energy delivery. So it's like micro parcels of energy. So we're treating the SMAS layers.
So the SMAS is that funny name, but what it means is it's above the muscle and below the deep dermis.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
How soon do I see results?
Well, with ULTRAFORMER you'll see a result straight away.
Yeah.
We get measurable results on the same day. Now this treatment's going to be working for the next 6 months.
How does that? Why?
Well, the collagen and the collagenesis starts after around about 4 weeks.
Right.
So we'll see some contraction because we're heating up. We're obviously going to see some contraction.
Yeah.
But the regeneration and the rebuilding of your deep dermis is going to happen over time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So and that's typically 4 to 12 weeks.
Anyway, so we're going to go and have the treatment. What I've found is here you get this crepey texture, forward movements of the knees, which never used to be there. Even though my belly's quite flat, I would like to get this a bit tighter. And of course then there's these nana arms, or tuck shop arms as they're fondly known by a lot of women.
We're going to start on your submental now, around here, so chiseling the jawline. It's looking pretty good at the moment anyway, but we'll be able to bring it down a little bit there, and then obviously the wobbly bit at the bottom.
Good.
Wonderful. Okay.
So typically what's the pain level of something like this?
Look, we'll be looking at 5 out of 10. Okay, ready? A little test shot. How's that?
Easy.
This is what's happening underneath. So little micro parcels of energy. Can often be a little bit zappy the closer we get to the deep dermis. So over the next few days, it'll be a little bit tender. Everyone, back to work, and there's not a lot of aftercare at all. Just taking it easy, and when you eat, you won't feel very much. It's more so just when you touch it. Yeah.
Well, thank goodness that's finished. The energy went in quite deep on my legs and was a little bit painful. Thank goodness I had some gas to tide me by. Anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing some results in apparently a few weeks to 3 months. Thanks for being with me, and we'll check in with you soon.